You know what I love about Dubai? It never does anything halfway. When this city takes a step, it's always 10 steps into the future. And right now, all signs are pointing in one direction. That's the Expo City. Now, I don't want you to think of it as the place where Expo 2020 happened. No, think of it as Dubai's next downtown. Because this isn't about an event that came and went. It's about building the backbone of the next 20 years. Hi, I'm Anora, and today we are going to cut through the hype and really break down what Expo City is, what it means for lifestyle, business, and let's be honest, the returns. But before that, let me give you a simple checklist. I call it 3 filters. Anytime I look at a project, I run it through these. Who is building it? A strong developer? How rare it is? Is it future proof? That means, does it sit inside Dubai's long-term vision or is it just a short-term play? If a project clears all 3, then you know you have struck something real. And Expo City, it's a clean sweep. See, every major community downtown, Marina, Emirates Hills, they all started with doubts. Too far, too empty, too ambitious. And then they became the heartbeat of the city. Expo is in that exact moment right now. Think about it. Dubai isn't growing randomly. It's expanding south towards Abu Dhabi. That's where the mega projects are stacked. Take Palm Jebel Ali, Al Maktoum Airport, Dubai South, and sitting right in the middle of this corridor is Expo City. Now let's talk numbers. I won't throw stats at you, you've probably heard plenty. Instead, let's frame it in this way. Imagine you had bought into downtown before Dubai Mall opened, or into Marina when it was still sand. That's exactly the stage Expo is at, early enough to capture the big appreciation. But let me tell you, there is still some developments happening. It's not a barren land. And here's why it matters. Expo is not just residences, it's jobs, it's headquarters, it's infrastructure. Multinationals like Siemens, DP World, and Nestle are already here. The airport expansion alone, 260 million passengers capacity. There's a city being built around mobility and commerce. And when business comes, residents follow. Simple. Lifestyle-wise, Expo is different from any other Dubai's community. Car-free zone, shaded walkways, forest, and green lungs woven through the master plan. You know what that means? More livability, less density. Just 10,000 homes planned. Compare that to Marina or JBR. You're really buying space to breathe. And here's the real game changer. Expo is waiting to mature. It's been delivered with metro stations, an exhibition center, office hotels, all in place before people move in. No long waits, no promises on paper. It's already functional. And for investors, that's gold because you're not betting on what might happen. You're stepping into a city that's already ticking with the upside still ahead. Now, of course, we have to tackle the too far objection. Look, 20 minutes to Marina, 30 minutes to downtown, and with Al Maktoum Airport becoming the largest in the world, tell me honestly, which side of the city will be far in 5 years? Let me paint it clear. When Palm Jebel Ali and Oasis hand over in 2027, where do you think people will go for a mall, a night out, or an office meeting? Right? Expo will be the first shop. That's why this isn't just a residential project, it's an entire ecosystem. And that's the secret. Where the government is investing billions, where the corporates are relocating, where infrastructure is already laid, that's where the story is. So, the question isn't, should I buy Expo or downtown? The question is, do I want to buy proven value at the premium or future value at a discount? Because Expo right now is priced far below your prime locations, and that gap, that's your opportunity. Now, Expo City is called Sustainable City because when I say car-free zone, that means you will be moving around with electric scooters, you have buggies. So basically, you are living in a proper sustainable community. And this is one of the uniqueness that you can find in the community which you cannot find around Dubai that easily. Let me leave you with this. Every few years, Dubai declares its next big chapter. Expo City has been declared not as a memory of the past, but as the engine to the future. The airport, the metro, the exhibition, the government backing, it's all in plain sight. The only choice left is yours. Do you want to enter early and ride the wave, or do you want to look back in 5 years and say, I wish I had? Now, this was all about Expo City. Now, if you want to know more or interested in their new launches and what Expo has planned in, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.